Nice shot. Woo! Good job. Yeah. Woo! Almost got a hole in one. You almost got a hole in one. Hole in one. No, 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 not at me. Don't hit it at me. Yeah, hit it that way. Woo! Good job. What are you doing, Hannah? You done riding?
No, I'm just gonna watch you run for a bit. I'll help you. Watch out!
Where are you going, Connor? Getting a different one? Alright. Gonna hit the driver. Oh! You double hit that one. Hey, where are you going? You don't want that one? Go back to the iron, less dangerous. You gonna go back to the iron? Jesus. Almost hit me. You almost hit me. You did it. You hit it like a hockey stick, though. You need to take a golf swing instead of a slap shot. Golf swing, not slap shot. Hey, careful. Don't hit it at me. Hit it somewhere else.
Okay.
Okay. Woo! Big pause at the top of your swing like your dad.